You gonna help me make my bed? Is that what you're doing? Huh? Is that what you're doing? Why are you so cute? Yeah, I was trying to finish up making my bed, and Lila decided to join me. For whatever reason, I don't know. Sorry for the lack of videos the last few weeks. Days, weeks, maybe. There shall be more to come. A longer vlog video to come to explain things. Look at her. She's so cute. Give my hand. Aw. Come on, be wild thing. Be the wild one. Be the wild one. Sneezy? Paid me like one of your French girls. Yeah. Figured since I had her here with me, we'd do a short dog vlog sort of thing. Where it's usually her running around. Look at her face. She doesn't want to be on camera. But yeah. Longer video to come to explain things, more Minecraft stuff. And I've been streaming more than recording. Yeah. Streaming more than recording stuff. So, I'm just going to explain everything in the next video. I'm messing with her foot. Yeah, I'm gonna just explain that all in the next video. Lila. Hey. Hey. Say goodbye to the people. Okay, she's walking away. She's trying to get on my desk, which is over there. But I got bed stuff on it. I need to finish making my bed. So, I will see you guys all in the next one. He's so cute. So, see you guys.